Hi, today in front of me POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first the settings app, then scroll down and tap to additional settings. Then go to the screen recorder and you'll see here sound source section. Now we could use all of the system sounds. You could also switch it to the microphone to command something, and also you could just record the mood videos. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and after that you'll launch the screen recorder settings. So just here tap to the sound source and by the same way switch your currently settings to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.